Hello guys, so for this video, we will be talking about integral calculus again. And this time, we have trigonometric substitution. So we have here an example, integral of 1 over square root of x squared plus 2x dx. So if you will encounter a problem like this, that you have here on below x squared, okay, plus 2x, the first thing that you have to do is to complete the square, okay? So, completing the square. Okay, so we all know how to complete the square. The x squared plus 2x. So, that will become plus. That's 2 over 2 raised to 2. Okay, so minus 2 over 2 raised to 2. So, basically, it will become x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus 1. Okay, so this portion here will become the x plus 1 squared minus 1. So, what will happen is that itong nakuha natin, this one, we will put it here. So, basically, our given will become integral of 1 over x plus 1 squared minus 1. Of course, we will put the square root. Okay, because we just complete the square, we do completing the square kung ano yung nasa loob ng square root. Okay, so let's put dx. So in this case, we already have our a. So our a is equal to 1. And our function x plus 1, x plus 1, ito siya, yung nasa loob. Because of course, if you raise 1 to 2, that will still be 1. So, ang x plus 1 is equal to secant theta. Because this u squared minus a squared, ito, is actually equal to secant, no? A sec theta yung gagamitin. Okay, so we have here x plus 1 is equal to secant theta. So, of course, our x is equal to sec theta minus 1. And the derivative of our x is secant theta tangent theta d theta. Of course, because the derivative of a function the derivative of a constant is equal to 0. Now, we will substitute this one dito. But, of course, what you can do is you can simplify itong nasa denominator natin. Ito, we can simplify that one. So, let's first simplify that. Okay, that's square root of x plus 1 raised to 2 minus 1. So, what is x plus 1? We have here sa taas, that is secant theta. So, lagyan natin dito, secant theta. That is raised to 2. So, that is squared minus 1. Don't forget the square root. And from trigonometric identity, okay, let's change the color. Yung secant squared theta minus 1 is just equal to tangent squared theta. So, we can rewrite that one as tangent squared theta. Square root, we can cancel it out. Okay, so what is left is tangent theta. So take note, si tangent theta is equal to this one, square root of x plus 1 squared minus 1. So we will put na dito sa ating original function. So dx, ito is sec theta tan theta d theta. So, that's secant. So, that's secant theta tangent theta d theta. Okay, over itong ating square root of x plus 1 squared minus 1, which is just equal to tangent theta. So, as you can see, makakancel natin si tangent theta. What is left is si secant theta na lang. the integral of secant theta d theta, which we all know that the integral of secant theta d theta is just equal to ln of secant theta plus tangent theta, of course, plus c, because again, this is indefinite integral. But we're not done yet. We have to go back to what is the original dito. We have in terms of x, so we have to put that in terms of x. But actually, in this case, there's no need for you to draw the triangle. Why? Because we already have the equivalent of our secant theta. What is secant theta? We already have it here. Okay? Secant theta is x plus 1. So you just have to substitute. So ln x plus 1 yung secant theta natin. How about tangent theta? We also have tangent theta already. It's square root of x squared, x plus 1 squared minus 1. So you can actually just put it here directly. No need to draw the right triangle, because then again, we already got the value plus c. But you can also, this one, no? If you will expand x plus 1, it will go back to x squared plus 2x plus 1. So again, dito i-expand ko siya para makita lang natin. If you will expand x plus 1 kasi x plus 1 squared, it will become x squared plus 2x plus 1, right? But we have minus 1 here. So if we will put the negative 1 here, so it will become x squared plus 2x. So the final answer now is ln of x plus 1 plus square root of x squared plus 2x plus c. So, okay, so itong, again, this one is from here. So that is now our final answer. Again, the final answer is ln of x plus 1 plus square root of x squared plus 2x plus